and I learned from him.
Okay, I will suggest you something. See, you can start by reading a book. Okay, start read whatever book you read, one paragraph. Just think a hypothetical situation and explain something to someone else. Just like you stand in the front of the mirror and explain to yourself that what you have learned from those. Okay, by this way you will learn very fast. The spoken English you will learn very fast. And the second thing what you can do, whatever you are watching on YouTube, just whatever you grasp from that, means whatever knowledge you have gained from that, what you can do, you can explain to someone, or even that can be a friend or your child, whoever is front of you, just explain her that what you have understand from that. Okay, so by this way you can learn very easily and you will find that, oh, I am doing a tremendous change.
Ma'am, it is also good for every learner. Ma'am, when I read something, that time I am trying to explain the summary, what I am learned from these passages. But ma'am, when I speak in front of the mirror, that time I forget about it, and my mind goes blank. And when I speak practice without mirror, that time it is very good for us, and I get confidence. And oh yeah, I am improve my English speaking. But ma'am, in front of the mirror, I cannot speak. Ma'am, I am facing this type of problem.
Okay, so what you can do if you cannot speak in the front of the mirror, so what you can do, you find some partner in your house. Is if someone is going to listen to you, or find some co-partner, uh, and explain those things to them, or you can open the mobile camera and explain to yourself. Just if you cannot explain to the mirror, so you can use this technique also.
Ma'am, right. In this stage, there is no partner. And even ma'am, in when I use CBF, that time most of the person who are used, they are every year co-learner. We just try to introduce ourselves. That time after 2 minutes, 3 minutes, the call will be disconnected. Ma'am, we needed a native English speaker who asks me something and we just try to explain it. If I talk about myself, ma'am, it is very difficult to ask question someone. I face this problem, especially for me, because I am co-learner. I cannot ask anyone. So this type of problem I am facing.
See, everyone face the problem. I am also facing the problem. I don't have any partner, but still I am speaking now. So you have to make your mind that no, whatever I am learning, I will just explain to anyone, or you can open the camera and explain to yourself also. By this way, you 1 day, 2 day, you will not find happiness, but after some time, you will find happiness that no, I am improving myself.
When I think that time, it takes time. I think in my mind and I explain it and I express my opinion. And this is the big difference. Think in mind in English and explain it. That time it is takes a long time and it is very long process. So, ma'am, I want to speak like a native English speaker. When I speak in my mother tongue, that time I have no thinking. I don't thinking about what I am saying. The fluency automatically come. In my mind, I explain it. And I need this type of fluency. So, ma'am, I am,
You
yes,
have to
ma'am.
devote time, means this is not a 1 day change. See, we have started learning our mother tongue from our childhood, so that's why we are not thinking so much. But this is, we have started something, so we have to give some time to ourselves, then you are going to learn something. How you can imagine that after 1 2 days 3 days you are going to get fluency and you are not thinking something? We are not native speaker now. We have to learn something that, oh, this, if something has kept in front of us, then we have to recognize it in English, that what is this. Then you are going to speak in English. Then you are going to create a story, or whatever you have watched, just explain it. But or sometimes you can do, create your own story. Whatever you are doing in your daily life, just tell to yourself that, oh, today I gone to market, today I went there, today I went there. So tell each and everything to yourself, then you are going to learn something very fast.
And even and sometimes I am making video in the public place because the public place is very important for us. At that time, so many incidents happen at the same time. So when I see any in the surrounded me, all around me, what happening around me in the public place, and so many incidents happen at the same time, I try to explain this thing in English. But sometimes I cannot get motivation because sometimes some people insulted me. Oh, this is the person, and making a video in the public place. That time I feel nervous and I don't try it. But when I am sitting alone and around me, what happening around me, and I just try to explain it in English. And in this way, I am trying to improve my English speaking.
Yeah, you will improve. Of course, I'm 100% sure that you will improve one day. But you have to keep patience. Patience is required the most. See, other times we have learned from our childhood. So how we can learn this new language in 1 or 2 days? We have to give some time, na? So devote some time and always endure your best. Then you are going to see the tremendous change.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, when I speak in English, that time grammar is very important. Every person say that, ma'am. Which type of grammar we especially need in for a spoken English partner?
Uh, See, for grammars, I will recommend you to watch English Connection video. English Connection, you know,
Yes, ma'am.
YouTube channel. There's a YouTube channel named by English Connection.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Sometimes I am using Duolingo. They are provided a grammar session like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I am use that session and I try to correct my position. What I am learned in grammar. That time they are providing lot of things in grammar. But ma'am, if I talk about grammar, I cannot. Even I am not good student at the English subject. I am as a just uh, and I am reading grammar from my old English grammar book like 8 standard 10 because ma'am when I read that time I cannot understand what is the main things of the grammar. When I read in this stage I can learn very easily and I understand very easily, but it is not enough for us and we need more advanced grammar like. But I am working in police, I have no time take any coaching and take any class from the teacher, so this is the problem I am facing. And ma'am, I just focusing my speech for me.
What you can do, you can every day you learn some grammar rule and just apply on your sentences. Okay, make 4 to 5 sentences. Then this way you will learn very fast. Right?
Yes ma'am,
Okay, I
yes.
time constant. Tomorrow is my exam, so I will connect to you in any other day and I will clear your doubt. Okay.
Okay,
And
thanks ma'am,
thank you
thank you
for
ma'am.
giving. Hope you do well
Okay,
in your life.
Namaskar ma'am, thank you giving me this opportunity to speak with you ma'am. I will try to next time connect it again.
Okay, bye.
Bye and thank you.